Once we added this fx hello world fxml file to our list of source files, if you look at the compiled jar file, this is the name of my project. Under distribution, this is the jar file that gets generated. If you open it using any archive utility, this is just a zip archive that we create when we build the project. And so here under week 7, we have fx hello world fxml included in our jar file. And so this is what this fxml loader finds. Let's just resize this a little bit, right? It uses get class for application, get resource, which returns back the URL object, and this URL object is constructed from fx hello world fxml, which basically pointing to this resource included already in our jar file. And so fxml loader pulls the entire scene graph from this internal storage, and everything will be shown inside here by constructing the scene using this root that we pulled from fxml file. So we construct the scene, which represents the contents of our window holding the scene graph. But currently not much is visible inside of our window because we only have one empty anchor pane inside our fxml, which is okay. It just displays the blank content. Our next task is to bring back our hello world button and then also add the click handler code. So for this, we need to download and start using the scene builder, which is a separate tool for fast drag and drop GUI development. So I'm clicking download now, and for me it will be Windows installer. I'll save the MSI file and then run the installer. Just double clicking the Windows installer file, which starts the setup. And finish. Once the installation is complete, I can get rid of this MSI file. Just press delete and get rid of it. Okay, the scene builder should be now ready to design our window.